York Region's been very successful in our water conservation program. Since 1998, we've saved approximately 26 million liters per day, which is quite significant. All of our efforts up until a few years ago was really focused on indoor water use. So we've really maximized what you can do in the home, and now really our focus has been on reducing outdoor water use, which is the most expensive water to deal with. One of the really important parts of the project was to work closely with our data analytics team to not only get that billing data, but to really understand and overlay some of the PRISM data so that we could see exactly where these high water users were, what their behaviors were. So some of the environics data actually tells us that, what are their consumer choices and what really drives that behavior that we're really trying to curb through promotion and education efforts. The community that we were going to do the pilot in, they were large estate lots. The primary focus wasn't about the environment, it was really about the aesthetics. So instead of developing a program that is really broad strokes and just roll that out over the region and maybe not resonating with people, we established two programs under this, the water irrigation certification program and the fusion gardening. Even though the outcome does help the environment, the focus is really around beautiful gardens. And so fusion just really resonated with residents, so that's what we're calling the program. And it's really about providing a beautiful landscape, but using low impact development techniques so that we reduce the amount of water that is needed to be used in those properties to actually make them beautiful. The environics data has been a really great thing for York Region because in this one community we've been able to really engage the public. They're excited about this fusion gardening, which we haven't seen in the past. So just having a very targeted approach, using the data very effectively to really design a community-based approach that's going to really drive change over the long term, that's one of the great outcomes of this project.